I remember coming back here before, but it was all full of water. Boogie woogie! Oh, look, you can actually see it's pretty good on the camera. I can't see it in person too good. Hello? Nice and cool down in here, man. What the hell was that? How muddy is this floor? It's pretty muddy. I wonder what the hell that thing is. Well, it looks like someone else is down in here. There's other footprints. I'm not the only one. I don't know what the hell